Is there a canyon we can go into? Sure. Well, I'll follow you.
Envision a magnificent tapestry, rich with color and texture, woven in a never-ending array of patterns and shadings. Now, listen as that tapestry comes alive.
What's up, party people? Came out to Lone Rock Beach today. My good buddy Thor happens to be out here with his parents. I just went to grab a burger at Yardley's. Oh, I think he's calling me right now. Yeah! Hold on, buddy. I'm getting all my gear together. What's going on?
I'm just seeing where you're at, making sure you're finding us.
You're a good friend. I'm still at my car, just packing up everything. I got a whole bucket of apples I'm trying to give away right now. It's ridiculous. Yeah, I'm gonna start walking down there. You'll see my blue shirt, and I'll make my call sign though. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, woo!
Your mating call doesn't work on me.
You know I'm a noob because I'm calling it a jet ski and it's actually a Sea-Doo. What up, dude? Good job! What's up, everybody? It's Adam. I'm here in the middle of Ice Cream Canyon with Explore with Thor. If you haven't seen his YouTube channel yet, click below to subscribe. Big thanks to Thor's mom and dad for letting us come out on the Sea-Doos. I haven't done this in years, actually, since I was a kid. So I feel like a giddy little schoolgirl. Hey, for all you haters that say Lake Powell is dead, check this out. We still got a whole lot of peeps coming out here. I don't know what you're talking about, but you gotta eat crow. Lake Powell is not dead.
Here's the thing, if I don't record, he's not gonna stop recording. He needs a break from the camera so he can just enjoy his life.
You're watching my YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe for more of this cool content. No, really do it right now. Go click the button. You'll thank me later.
Let's get this flip flop lined up. And we got it. Flip flop.
Hey everyone, now is your chance to click the subscribe button, or you could watch Thor play with Yoki, the super doggo of Lake Powell, or you could subscribe, or you could watch another video, or you could watch Thor and the dog, or you could please just subscribe.